In Asia, the Philippines, the biggest number of soldier. Do you know 4,172 your senior came to Korea? Do you know that? You don't know? I don't know why your government don't tell about that. You know, ironically, every Korean, we like the very big reason you help us during the war. And many Filipino soldier build a house, like embassy, airport, work together, and even give a food. And then people line up, and one scoop by scoop, flour, rice, we get it. Without Philippine support, Korea cannot increase, like improve like this. Very important. That's why. Buy some yung other things, you better buy the duty free or department store. Okay, so I will. If you like to buy something, also let me know. I will tell you. Korea, all those shopping is clearly open, especially for foreigner. Actually, afternoon we go to the shopping too, but it's good actually, really good. And this is the Yonsei University. Did you watch medical K-drama? Doctor have a music band and they shoot here.
A few moments later.
Opa. We're Chingu. Chingu is brand?
Hindi ba Opa for Lapitan? No!
Opa is older brother, older. Oh, sabi sa iyo ano?
You learn many things from Korean drama, right?
No, actually from my ex.
Ano yung iyon? Ako, sabi ko
Kasumama.
Ayan na, rin tayo lalakar sa pala.
Bakit hindi natin bawal? Na yung itaas mo nagugulo yung ano ko, sayang.
Gusto ako na tagahawak ng payong o talaga itataas ko pa.
It's too cold. Yeah, and we're here now in the palace. Look at their clothings. And look at him. Oh, say. Wow.
Wala yan, naninigas ang kamay ko.
It's raining, pero we're not going to spoil the day. We have to go
Anong
on.
palas na?
Ha?
Anong palas?
Palace of the, hackles. Nauna si Queen, Queen Chari.
Queen Madrigal.
Ay. Ano raw itong palace ito, Chaem?
Gyeongbokjeon.
Gyeongbokjeon
Yan, dito tayo
Palace. Oh, yun.
Kahit dito po yung malamig. Ano ka? Hindi ko niya pa ka. Mama, tayo pa-picture na pa. Nakapalik na. Wala pa ka. Nakapapicture na pa. Nakapapicture ko. Ano ba mo ko? No need na pumunta. Tama. Inasa si Yuna. Yuna!
Yeah, okay.
How about you? How about you? You eat with us.
Okay.
You eat with us.
Sama niya yung driver.
Picture.
Guys, done. Tapos na rin kayo. Aming nakain. Yeah.
Did you meet Guapo pa?
Cruise.
Beauty Prano?
Yes. Seagull feeding.
Ah, Seagull, the bird. You
Yes.
bought the cookie.
Hintik na iyan. Sadali nga.
Hello, everyone. Dapat impact. Wait lang. Robin.
Franco Exumol, Starfield Library.
Ito magbasa.
Oo, mas lalo ito. Babasa drama naman yan eh.
Check po.
Yung pababa na lang. Pwede po iwan ko itong payo. Pababa na lang. Ito na po Bakit lang?
Going back to the hotel.
K-pop star wrote a name on me. There's no K-pop star.